In this video, we're going on a wild adventure into the magical land of CapCut, where we'll discover how to save or export your epic edits straight to your photo gallery. CapCut isn't just any video editing app, it's your new best friend for turning raw footage into cinematic masterpieces. And guess what? Saving your creations is as easy as pie. First things first, let's dive into the app. I'm going to whip up a quick video edit like a chef in a kitchen, tossing in some spices. And then, bam, straight to the gallery it goes. Now, let's talk about 2 sneaky ways to save your videos. Method 1, tap that mysterious little X button in the top left corner. CapCut, being the thoughtful app it is, will automatically save your video as a project. That's right, you've got a little treasure chest of creativity waiting for you every time you open the app. Just tap on your project, and it's like opening a portal back into your editing adventure. But beware! This method doesn't actually save your video to the photo gallery, and you won't be able to brag about it on social media just yet. For the grand finale, saving to your photo gallery, here's what you need to do. Hit that resolution button next to the arrow. This is where the magic happens. You'll be transported to the export settings, where you can choose your frame rate, resolution, and bit rate. Higher numbers mean crispier, juicier video quality. But keep in mind they also come with larger file sizes. If your phone is crying for storage, you might want to dial those settings down a notch. Once you've set your video export settings to perfection, tap that arrow button and let the magic unfold. You might need to wait a few seconds or minutes, depending on how epic your video is, but soon enough, CapCut will work its magic. After it's done, you can exit the app, march over to your photo gallery, and tada, there's your masterpiece. And that's a wrap. You've just learned how to save your video from the CapCut editing app like a pro. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another epic video. See you next time, and happy editing!